What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to transfer ETN from ETN Wallet to KUCOIN Exchange. Now transferring ETN from your ETN Wallet to KUCOIN Exchange involves a few key steps. It's crucial to follow these steps to ensure your funds are transferred safely and correctly. So always double check for addresses and networks. The first thing you'll need to do is to get your ETN deposit address from KUCOIN. So go ahead and log into your KUCOIN account either from your website or from your mobile device. On the KUCOIN homepage, look for Assets or Wallet at the top right corner or at the bottom right corner where Assets or Wallet will be located. After selecting it, you'll need to click or select Deposit. Then when you select Deposit, you have the option with a search bar to search for ETN. So type in ETN and you will see Electroneum. Once you've selected it, KUCOIN supports the native Electroneum blockchain for ETN, so make sure this is the selected network. After this is selected, KUCOIN will automatically display your unique ETN deposit address, and this could also be a QR code. Now this is the address you will send your ETN to. Copy the address accurately if it's alphanumeric, or if it's a QR code, you know that you'll need to scan the code. Also, you need to check for a payment ID or memo, as some cryptocurrencies might require a payment ID or memo. However, if it's not required, that's not a problem and you can proceed. The next stage is to withdraw ETN from your ETN wallet. This part will depend on whether you're using the official Electroneum mobile app or another type of ETN wallet. Now, if you're using the Electroneum mobile app, which is most common, the first thing you'll need to do is to open the ETN app. So log on to your mobile wallet application, then look for the option that allows you to send or withdraw ETN. After that, paste in the ETN deposit address which you copied from KUCOIN into the recipient address or to the field that shows receiver. Then enter the amount. This requires you to specify the amount of ETN you wish to transfer. Now, if a payment ID or memo was shown, you will need to provide the payment ID or memo in the field as required. If it wasn't shown before and there is a field, you can ignore this field as it wasn't shown on KUCOIN. After this is done, you'll need to review and confirm. So carefully review all the details such as recipient address, the amount, and the payment ID or memo if applicable. Then of course you'd like to authorize your transaction using your PIN, password, or biometric authentication. After that's done, your transfer will be submitted. If there is one more button to press, you can go ahead and tap and submit. If not, your transfer will begin its process. Now, if you're using a desktop or another ETN wallet, what you'll need to do is to open the ETN wallet software, then navigate to the send or withdraw section, paste the KUCOIN ETN deposit address, then enter the amount, enter the payment ID or memo if provided by KUCOIN, then review and confirm the transaction. Then the last stage is to confirm the deposit of KUCOIN. So you'll need to monitor your deposit history. Now, after initiating the withdrawal from ETN Wallet, go back to your KUCOIN account. Then on the deposit page or in your assets overview, you should find a deposit history or transaction history section. While you're there, wait for the confirmations. Now, the blockchain transactions require a certain number of network confirmations before they are credited to your exchange account. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on the network congestion and KUCOIN's required confirmations for ETN. Once all the confirmations are fulfilled, your ETN will appear in your KUCOIN account. So remember to double check everything. If you're transferring a large amount, it's best to start with a small test transaction. And by following these steps, you should be able to successfully transfer Electroneum from your ETN wallet to KUCOIN Exchange.